guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I went about achieving this cute little look, just keep on watching. So what I did was I got some tips right here. They're ready to go. They have a sticky base coat, and I used Beauty Big Band 029. I wanted a plain spider web. That's what I had in mind before I did this mani as the background. And this is MoYou in 15. Stamping polish 15. Scrape, pick up, and stamp right on the nail. Doesn't that look cute? Let's see if we can zoom in a little. And then I used, of course, my MoYou London Halloween plate 2. And I loved the ghost. So we're going to pick up the ghost. And some lettering. Yep. Let me clean that up. So did that, just plop it anywhere you want. Isn't that cute? And then for the wording, I went with Scaredy Cat. Because, you know, he's a ghost. And that's how I achieved that look. I think it is super cute. And then you top it off with Sèche Vite. Or you could top it off with Northern Lights. And this just like occurred to me. So I'm shaking the bottle. You have to shake Northern Lights really well. Let's see. It's making the computer spaz out. Shake it up. So you have to shake up the hollow, scattered hollow. This would be fun for the mani. Apparently I have to clean this better next time. Wow, yeah. I'm usually pretty good about cleaning my lids, so. Oh yeah, you guys. You know, it's not my video if I don't try to sneak in some type of hollow or Sasha's cat hair. It's spazzing out the camera. How cute is that? So this was the original mani. This one. And then the one with the Northern Lights. So stay tuned if you want to see what I do with the other 3. How cool. Northern Lights just give it an extra push. So cute. I didn't want to do like a traditional white or black spider web as the background, but I definitely knew that I wanted to use a plain spider web. So I'm thinking of doing an accent nail. This picks up so cool. So I don't know if I told you guys, but Sasha's 18. My cat. And she's been sleeping a lot. Obviously she's 18. But the funny part is, she's actually having dreams. And she'll like start moving her paws. And it's so cute. And today she was like muffling something. Like, you know, when people talk in their sleep. And I thought it was just absolutely adorable. And then I accidentally woke her up. And I was like, oh, I wish I could get in your head and see your dream. See what you were dreaming about. So let's go for the ghost cat again. Or maybe I'll do 2 different nails. But definitely think that ghost cat is adorable. Oh, I messed that up. So just have to clean that up. And almost drop it. And let's put him down here now. Yeah, that's cute. And then we can put cats, or no, You Freaking Me Out. That one's kind of cool looking. Yeah, that came out beautiful. Just clean around it a little bit. Yeah, that is so cute. That is so cute. Looks like I have to shake that Northern Lights again. How cute is that with the Northern Lights? I think this muted green is cool for, you know, Halloween for the season. Very cool looking. And right there on the tip. Oh, Sasha's eating. We'll just put that. Ta-da! You know what? I think I'm going to do all the spider webs right now. And there's only 2 left, so... Okay guys, so here is the finished look. What do you guys think? So the original was this one without northern lights, and then after that I added northern lights to all of them. I noticed that the northern lights messed up this image right here, so I would advise to go over these before with a quick dry top coat and then adding northern lights. I really love how it came out. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. So here are some quick pictures that I took. I hope you enjoyed the mani, and I just want to thank you guys for spending time with me and watching the video. Bye.